good people, we thank Baba God for another day. Baba God still say allow us see. Today my yarn is going to be about safety. For those of you when they enter public vehicle, and for those of you may see they enter private, may see they drive their own private vehicles. Normally, at the beg for those when they enter public vehicle, the world just dey wicked, the streets dey wicked, everybody they find different ways to make money. So people they target people anyhow. So I beg, before you enter public vehicle, look well. Not just jump, enter at the hurry. Some of us go there from far. From far, we go, they stop motor. No. Take your time, use your junction, take your time, open your eyes, shine your eye. I don't say if at all. We go let us see that God they guide us normal level. But at the same time, we still play our part because streets wicked. People they do so many one chance, so many evil people. Even you go just say, boy, it's too much for this motor, I no go enter. Make I shock you. Then they use some girls they run the parole now. Girls go see this side the motor. You go just like, okay, now girls, no level. Now lie, level there. So kind of news when I don't hear in town not too clear, all this kind of things. So I use God beg now. May they enter public vehicle. They very careful, they very observant. Shine your eye well before you jump enter any motor. Those of now when get a bit of safe now you're the public transport. Now remember say now one press on a phone now go press phone till when you go show you go start some of now go even pass. You know go dey conscious of what they happen around the place when you dey around the bus when you dey what they happen no be your business. You go use a press phone. That one a habit when be say you need to stop that habit so that focus when you decide your public motor. If you do your private motor, that one will be but when you do your public vehicle, focus when you know what they happen. When you know where they carry you go, not be say they don't carry you to another place and you will come say you come out for phone, you can't know what they happen. That thing no good. Some of you now when you get the habit of making transfer from your app, you just demo to like that. Most of them you just brighten on a screen. Una go just demo to now, and that time now remember say una sabi una want do transfer. I just remember I want to transfer money give my girlfriend. I want to transfer money give my sugar mommy. And that time you go remember you want your app for public vehicle. They do transaction. So when they copy all those things now run your parade, you go dey shout. You go bank. You say na bank do and this one do. Don't be all those people do. Now you when business no fit patient, may you reach your house or reach where you go. You fit dey for one corner do your transaction. Now you get the issue. So I see the beg now. Stop that habit. They do transfer inside public vehicle. That one a bad habit. Stop am. Another habit now say you go there from fire. They stop motor. No, they observant. They look well. Shine your eye. Use God beg now before now enter. And those of them may drive private. Mona they very careful. As they drive, you go be like saying only yourself. You don't pray for only yourself. You pray for the next driver, the next 2-3 driver. Because many mad people here can the help one for stay with the drive motor. You come the one that say what did they happen? They drive motor anyhow. So as much as possible, they very careful for road. They very careful because most of all these driver, you may see the driver private vehicle, not be all of the heads see theirs. So as much as possible, move they very careful, move they very observant, move with they at the same time move see pray to God. And God is the author and finisher. Now they see the guide us if at all. So my people now advise I say make I come get yarn now today. I beg again I see the talker. No be say no they wait me about months fish, me about months fish. Now the streets know they smile. People they do some kind of dirty things for money. So I beg again and the yarn. If you enter public vehicle, they very careful. My people, nado. My people, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Share this yarnings so that other people will see other people will know how to keep safe. At the same time, don't forget to visit our website www.pigeonvibes. The vibes now with the z.ng. Mokuna go there, mokuna see all the latest updates, na entertainment, na gossip, na normal politics matter. Everything they there, you go see on street pigeon, strictly on street pigeon. Go there, me you yarn. Visit go our Facebook, Pigeon Vibes for Facebook. You go see us for there. Our daily yarn is there. We dey yarn with our community. We dey give them updates every day as they come. My people,